Hello guys, welcome back to our another new video. Today I'm going to share with you what is the influencer marketing, what is influencer, and how much demand on this category in marketplace. So, influencer marketing is a kind of part of digital marketing. Like if you have so much follower, if you have too much fan follower, then you can just share anything on your profile. Then people will see it and they will order from it, or they will take it. Um so if you want to do influencer marketing, yeah, it's a good it's a if you have, then I think you have a good future, because influencer marketing is the huge demand. Then you can see the most popular iconic player of the football or cricket, like Cristiano Ronaldo, then Messi, Neymar, or something else. And it's very easy to share the most popular cricketer, Indian cricketer, the Virat Kohli. Sometime you will see that they post something, some company's product. For that, they get a huge amount, like 1 crore, 2 crore. You can imagine. And especially Europe is so popular for influencer marketing. India also good. In India also good. You will see that the small influencer also have like 10K followers, 5K followers in Instagram, and they get good amount, like 5,000, 10,000, or 1,000 also. Just think, if you have 10,000 follower on your Instagram profile, and if you get like 1 month uh, 10 10 promotion offer, then you can easily earn 4,000, sorry, 40,000, 50,000 taka. So I think influencer marketing is a good, it's good. And this is the upcoming industrial good marketplace. So if you think you want to do or not, then you can really focus on your profile. If you can choose a good, you should choose a good niche, like food, travel, and fashion, and makeup artist, something like that. So I think it's really good. So today this video, that's it. As see you next video. Thank you so much.